Alright guys, well here's the part 2 for that video there, or the second part, revival. Yeah, you can see I moved it a bit. A couple weeks ago it snowed a lot, then it snowed a little bit more. The day before there was absolutely no snow, no ice, nothing, and it snowed so much. Thankfully I got pictures of it, but I listed it on a Facebook marketplace already, but there ain't gonna be no revival on this. I just put the cover on there. Yeah, it's just loose, but yeah, I found all the parts that's neat except the original seat. We got this cool seat here. Yeah, pretty much just like it, except it doesn't have the colors the other seat would. But yeah, the engine is free. It probably will start. These engines are pretty good at starting and stuff. But yeah, you can see flat tires. The deck, I think that's the deck belt right there. It doesn't really fit, but I don't know. Oh yeah, this is a nicer one. You can see down a really rusty areas. It still has that area, very readable. Think original steering wheel. Look at the fiberglass. There's no cracks, so nothing really on it. They have stickers all around it. I mean, maybe just these corners here is the worst. But yeah. Yeah, I think I deleted all the footage with the very snow, but got 8 inches of one night. Then got another 2 inches a couple days later. There's the other lawnmower here. I guess the tires are mostly holding the air. This is looking pretty nice. Oh, I guess this one also has the instructions. The mower clutch. That never moved. The clutch there. The parking brake, that works. Yeah, see, watch this. Watch this. There we go. See, where else are you gonna find two John Deere 56s this good a condition, which is 99.99% original? I don't know. I had 2 decks for this one. Comes with a deck, comes original, and this one runs. That one doesn't, but I don't know. There's none other on Marketplace that I can see. I don't know. I mean, look at this. Inside looks pretty well. This was electric start. Oh yeah, cleaned up pretty well with this vinyl cleaner, wherever doing. Oh yeah. Yeah, see, it has the original wheel. Has that back thing so you can tow a little trailer with it. Ooh. No, like, just really for the rims so you can keep it. Oh yeah, my dad got this mower mostly working. It misfires every now and then, but yeah. I mean, pretty cool. I like to continue to buy and flip stuff off Marketplace, but YouTube doesn't want my channel to do well. My last video has on a Christine cold start. It has like a 6% clicks per impression, but YouTube won't show it. Only has like 700 views or so. It go, oh well, that's quite a lot. Remember, you need double that just to get 1,400 views. You need double that to reach a next. And yeah, it's literally it's like, I don't know. May think it's a lot, but it's not really. I mean, I don't know. I ain't gonna yap about. I told you guys I ain't gonna yap about this year, so I won't. But yeah, here's the lawnmowers. This one probably will paint up pretty well. There's no rust holes on that. Only sort of dents and stuff on this one, so it's probably there. Probably the original owner like pulled it out of somewhere and it did that. But we go open this up. Oh, I guess maybe a little bit down there. But yeah, you can probably unbolt that, bend some sheet metal like that, and it'll be good. But this fiberglass, of course, you know, there. But yeah. Yeah, sorry guys, there's no part 2 to the video, and no revival for the other one, but I can't. But yeah, I don't want to interfere it, and if I gotta drop the price, well, yeah, it's not worth it. But yeah, if you like this series, hit the like button, because we still have the John Deere SDX 38. on keeping I want on for one that doesn't run with a brand new seat and starter with a hood and stuff for $100. You know, I'm gonna lowball them to $100. It's been up there for a while. Sell that pair for $400, and yeah, a little bit closer to whatever by next. See you guys next time. My old winter. Look at that tree. Steps. Pears are not in the snow, the ground, the snow. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, whoop, see, well, they close the garage so they don't see snow more. You know, as much as I can. Aftermath of that snowstorm. We go here. Let me give you a little example here. Not fully touching the ground, and it's like to my waists. Look at steep, cover my wheels. Mustang ain't gonna move for a long time. At least it's going to get to 40s and 50s now. Whoa, slippery. Look, my sister's car, you cannot see the front end. Completely buried. Even the truck got stuck a couple times yesterday, but a snow pile here from snow plowing. High as a parking lot snow pile. Can't see the hot rod there. Chicken coop's buried. I mean, look at all of this. But drive light cleared up pretty nice. Yeah, it's terrible. Wisconsin weather for you, but hopefully no more of this.